Hello everyone, my name is Vaibhav Agrawal and welcome back to our YouTube channel Study Material. So friends, in today's video we are going to discuss that how we can connect our mobile camera with our personal desktop or personal laptop, or we can say in the PC, right, desktop. So without wasting the time, let's start this video. So friends, first you all need to move to the Play Store. So went to your Play Store and search for one application, that is IP camera. It is not with the name of IP camera, it is, I think, IP webcam, but you need to search IP camera. So what are the application is coming on the top, that is IP webcam, you can see. And let me show you the icon as well, logo. So it is the logo and rating is 3.9 and size is only 21 MB and around 10 million plus downloads. So I'm telling you this information that you will not be misguided, right? So click on install button, let it get installed. It will take some time, it's installing, friends. So when installation is done, you need to click on OK button. So when installation is done, then you need to move to the video preferences, and on the video preferences you need to give the permission whatever it is asking for, like audio recording, video recording, and device location, right? So when you have just given all the permissions, then you need to click on the back button. When you have clicked on the back button, and you need to scroll down till last, and you will get one more option, that is start server. So post that you need to click on that start server. So I am clicking on that start server. So when you have clicked on the start server, you can see that my phone camera has been started, and in the screen you can also see that one IP address is given. Let me read out that. So there are two IPv4 and one IPv6 address. So IPv4 address is same, but one is for the HTTP protocol and another one is for the HTTPS protocol. So IP address is, I am just reading out for the HTTPS protocol, is https colon double forward slash 100.107.97.193 colon 8080. So your IP address will be 100.107.97.193, and post colon whatever it is given, that is the port number, that is 8080. So friends, to get your mobile camera into your desktop and PC, what you need to do, you just need to mention this IP address in your laptop and in your PC, or we can say in that device where you want to connect your mobile camera, right? So friends, I am ready with my laptop here. So as you all can see my screen, I am entering the IP address that is mentioned in my screen here, that is 100.107.97.193 colon 8080. Post that you need to click on enter button. When you have clicked on the enter button, it is showing a one warning, that is warning message here. So it's saying that your connection is not private, so it can cause for some malware practices or some another issues might be there. So first you need to click on the advanced button. When you have clicked on the advanced button, then you need to scroll little bit down. Then you will get one more option, that is proceed to and one IP address whatever you have entered in your browser, that will be mentioned here, right? So you need to click on that IP, and suppose that this screen will be popped up. So friends, if you want to check that your camera is working or not, so here you can see, right, video rendered option. So no video is selected right now, or you can click on browser. So I would suggest you to go with the browser. When you clicked on the browser, you can see my screen is shared, right? So as you can see that my camera is working. So whatever I am showing from my phone, it's visible in my desktop as well. So friends, when you want to turn on the front camera instead of the back camera, rear camera, so you just need to click on the front camera option. When you will click on this button, so you can see that front camera has been enabled. So by clicking on that button, you can enable your front camera as well, so you can see yourself in the laptop screen as well. So that's all about this video, friends. I hope that you have enjoyed it, and if this video helped you in any way, then please like this video, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Yes. Okay friends, so we will meet in the next video. Thank you.